So checklists, these are just normal stuff inside the Mastermind report. Um, Stocks and options, the leap plays, some of the things that we put in here, some of the earnings that will impact the market, right? Some of the ones that we're looking at, like Starbucks, which is a consumers, Walmart, these will be good earning plays that, we'll start looking at tomorrow, actually going into Wednesday. So if we do have bad news, some of these plays I think will be okay, like Starbucks, right? Um, Pfizer's been going up a lot. And so I'm going to take a couple of more option plays inside the month of November, and I'll be sharing those right now. I had an Apple. I risked it all. I could have got out before earnings. I was up like 2,000 or 500, and I decided to play the earnings, and it turned off, and I got zero. So, that's part of the chance when you play options into earnings. But some of these will run up, and so you'll see this on Amazon, the pressure on the upside. But something like Pfizer, right? Which, historically, Pfizer, based on COVID and all the medical, has been moving up, right? So it's on the uptrend. I think that would be a good earning play that they continue to go up. And Starbucks is going to be based on consumers. Um, I think Starbucks will be a good options play as well. All right. One of the ones that, I was looking at is Snap. With Twitter being bought up, Snap has some kind of, huge amount of users. I'm actually trying to buy Snap November 25th calls for $12. And they're like 10 cent, right? Or they're like 13 cent right now. So if they drop a little bit more, I got orders already set that if they're dropping, I should be able to pick them up a little bit cheaper. So see on a week. So $12 is not that much, but I think Snap has a pretty good chance of going up just with Twitter being bought out, et cetera. All right. Best and worst days. Historically on the stock market, the bearish days, 10th and the 17th, the 9th, right? So around the 9th, 10th have historically for the stock market. For the crypto markets, November 1st to the 4th, right? And then 23rd to the 25th. All right. So NFTs are sectors. So we look at this and we look at November and see that oil is normally short during this month. And you see October, transport, industrials. And I look at December, gold, right? Gold is something that goes up, and you see that gold today was trending up, but it's still 16. Semiconductors, telecom, these are seasonal plays based on the sectors. All right. So FOMC meeting, second and third, midterm elections on the 8th, right? The 9th is normally a down day. So, put that on your radar. You may want to be short going into the 9th. All right. And these are just some of the economic indicators that's going to be released: construction spending, housing, trading goods and services, manufacturers. So this news could impact the markets based on, how negative or positive it is, right? I expect really no activity on November 1st, which is tomorrow. I expect fireworks on the 2nd. And then if, we see a move up, I plan to trade futures on Wednesday if the market reacts positively to any of this news and it's nothing crazy. All right. So seasonality, Russell 200, S&P 500 starts to move during that time. Emerging markets, which is one of the things I look at. Even TNA is a stock that you can play. Where's that at? This is my normal watch list. You know, I started seeing this move up as well. If you trade the regular stock market, this month I plan to trade everything on top of cryptos. All right. I don't know if we have Shahab on real quick. I want to talk about the NFTs because you know, the NFTs are starting to pick up. The guys in the NFT group is making money. And I wanted to make sure that, you know, you're not missing out. I told Shahab, you know, we're probably gonna start on YouTube and start pushing some. I know brother Mo and Shahab is doing a lot of research, and you know, we want to make sure that people don't miss out when the NFTs start running again. So, hey, Shahab, are you here?
Hello, brother. How are you?
All right, good. How you doing?
Doing good.
I'm gonna give you a couple of minutes to kind of talk about the NFTs real quick. I want to
Sure.
make
Can
sure.
I quickly share my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you guys see my screen?
Yep.
Yeah. So I'm not sure if you guys saw this, but I want to bring everybody's attention to this project that launched today. It was a free mint, and in the first couple hours, it did about $10 million in volume. And out of that free mint, right now, the floor price is $21,000. So if anybody was whitelisted for this project, you would be up $21,000 right now. And everybody's saying that the market is dead right now, but Brother Mo and I have been trading the last few weeks, and we've been making very consistent profits with NFTs. So I asked Brother Jamar to give me some time today. I just wanted to make sure that people in DCG are not missing out on this. These are some of the trades that we made in the last few weeks. And I'm missing a few trades, and there's some more green trades that we made after this. But if you bought into each and every call that Brother Mo and I made in the DCG weekly calls and in the Discord, it would have cost around 3.4 Ethereum, and you will be sitting at 11.8 Ethereum. I know Brother Jamar followed up on some of these calls and he profited from them as well. I know that we
I'm up
can't.
like $7,000 off of some of them, and I just been on it passively. So
Yes.
I got like $7,000 off the plays, and I think I spent less than 1,500.
Yeah, and we have so what we've been doing recently on the calls on Tuesdays, Brother Mo and I, we have a kind of like a mastermind roundtable where we discuss what we're gonna go, the projects that we're gonna go in, how we're gonna time it, and we decide together, and then we go in together and we profit together. So the next call we're doing is tomorrow, 4 p.m. Pacific time. And there's lots of alpha that we're going to discuss tomorrow because there's a lot going on in the market. And I just wanted to make sure that we're not missing out on this.